everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, my microwave for the kitchen finally came in. I got some tile backsplash for the back of the kitchen countertop. I think with those two things, I'll be able to finish the kitchen finally. At least make it look good in that area. So come on inside. Let's see about getting this thing installed. So as you guys can see, it's still pretty much the same as from the last video, although I have done a couple more things to the cabin. I installed a sink and put a temporary countertop in until I can get some wood and make a real nice wood countertop. I got a water pump down underneath the cabin and the drain just goes out the side outside. So just so that I have some running water. I'll make another video and show you guys about that. Pretty boring video for when I installed it. I just ran a hose up the hill and hooked up a water pump. It's pretty much all there was to that. But I was also able to install a couple more windows. I got one put in here, and then if we go upstairs, I got all the lights installed, all the insulation is up. I got a window up there nice and high so that it can vent out any hot air that is made and get it out of the building, and then another window that opens over there to allow a cross breeze up here. So I think all that's going to be really good. I'll have another video coming up soon as I make the bed. One is going to go over top of the stairwell here, and then I think I'm going to build a bathroom in that corner over there, and I'll have another bed on top of that. And the other thing that I was able to do since the last time I seen you guys was I installed all the insulation underneath the cabin. So this back plate is what supports the microwave. And if you don't have studs at the ends, they want you to use toggle bolts. Whenever I install toggle bolts, before I put them into the material that I'm attaching to the wall, I'll always assemble the toggle bolt and just test fit it in the hole, but don't push it in so that the tab's open. You'll never get it out and you'll lose your wing. You'll have to take the machine screw out and the wing will be in there still. So test fit your holes first before you put it in your material, and then you'll know that it fits before you're trying to put it through the hole fighting with it while it's assembled. We use a lot of toggle bolts in the electrical trade, so that seems to be the best method of installation that's worked for me. Now after you get your wall plate secured, you can install the leg screws. After you get your toggle bolts in, you can install the leg screws into any studs that you have behind your back wall plate. And then the microwave will sit on this tab and this tab. And then there's two screws that go down through these top two holes, like that, and screw into the front part of the microwave to hold it to the cupboard, and this supports it on the wall. Now it recommends in the manual that you use 2 people to lift it up into place. I don't have 2 people and I'm tall, so I'm hoping it won't be too awkward and I can do it myself. And there. That's pretty much all there is to installing a over the hood fan microwave. Over the range hood fan microwave. This is a Whirlpool microwave, and I liked it because it was small, so I got more cupboard space up top. and I think it looks really sharp, contrasting between the cupboards and the black of the stove kind of ties it together. So there's the sticky tile backsplash that I got from Amazon. It was like 40 bucks for 10 square feet, but apparently it was like 2 square feet, not enough. I think that's just fine. It's just a temporary kitchen. I think it looks really good. It'd have been nice if it was even with the stove, but it brings it closer to the fireplace, and it's just Chinese plastic, so it's probably better that it's further away anyway. So yeah, I think the kitchen looks really good. I'm super happy with the microwave. Lots of room in there for a plate or a cup. I wonder if my travel mug fits in there. Not that I'd ever microwave metal, but there's a travel mug, so that gives you an idea of how much room is in there. For sure enough room for a coffee cup. So yeah, I think this kitchen looks great. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. I got my one last handle that's missing coming from China. I ordered 2 in case one of them gets broken, so I have a spare. So everything is going to be good. So thanks for tuning into this video. I appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up and like my video if you think my kitchen looks good. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao for now.